So what's up guys, how are you doing? So it's Sunday, the 25th of December. I'm trying to so guys, we're gonna explore. So I live somewhere in the remote. You know what I like about this place, it's a quick place. No noise pollution, and everything is affordable, we live on a budget right here. So this is on my way to Kiserian town. You can look this towards the roadside. So Kiserian is an interior part of Nairobi. Okay, let's say it's exterior part of Kajiado County. So we have to go down, but when we rise, this will be Kiserian. So I'm using 14-seater matatu. It's called Nissan. We usually call it Nissan in Africa. So I've arrived somewhere. This is Kiserian town. So this town is one of the great towns located in Kajiado County. So Kajiado is one of the counties in Kenya. Kenya is divided into 47 counties. So it's super hot. So while guys you are freezing out there, this place is super hot. And it's sunlight. So I'm just gonna take you around the city. I hope you'll enjoy the video. So guys, consider liking the video. You can share with your friends. It's like how the season goes here. So it's super hot. It's super hot here. So I'm just wanna explore and see how the place looks like. It's Christmas time here. So in Africa or in Kenya, Christmas time is that season where actually you get to spend the holiday with your family. So but for those hustlers, those who don't actually have the ability to go home, they have to actually stay. So guys, there's my friend here. So the guy is wishing you guys Merry Christmas. So I'm gonna find a local here. Maybe he can tell us what's so unique about this place. What's so unique about Kiserian? It's super hot. From here it's super hot. Definitely. Believe in the street also you have to be careful because let's make the end meal. So the end meal, it means that they have to get from you Yeah. See, let me think I'm gonna turn. There's no much to show you this area. So let me cross the road to this side. Yeah. So we're gonna first take through the market somewhere there. Then I think we're gonna board the bus towards our next station, guys. Yeah. So I think I'll have one or two conversation with the locals here. To know the insight, what's so unique about Kiserian house. Yeah. Mostly you can say the occupant or many of the residents here are the Maasai community. Yeah. So this is pretty remote area. We're gonna see the market around. So yeah, so I think this is somewhere around the slaughterhouse. It's Christmas time, so people are buying meat in plenty. Yeah, you can see guys with the white coats. Yeah, that's the slaughterhouse. People are coming here to buy meat in plenty. Something funny about this place is like they are hawking. I can say they are hawking in this time, cows in this time, guys. Yeah, they're really hawking it. So when you go to the, when you go to the, let's say when you go to the butchery to buy meat, people here buy it on the street. Actually, I've never discovered this place here. Yeah, I've never discovered this place here, but it's when I'm discovering for the first time. So I need to connect to the other side of the market. Yeah. This street leads through the other way actually. They're buying goat meat. Okay, they're eating like goat meat. So I'm here around the market, this Kiserian market. People are having their business as usual. Yeah, so people say they will not actually. It's like they're not going to, let's say, to the villages. Yeah, it's business as usual. And I think I need a lighter punch. I'll look for a lighter punch to enable me to explore around. Yeah, so people are just going with their business as usual. Yeah, cars. But it's not, it's like the market is not that full operational. So that's a cow being transported. I guess it's going also to the slaughterhouse. So I'm gonna go through the market here and see what the market is made of. It may be a pretty dark place, but hi. So let me explore the market around. Yeah, so I'm gonna climb and go outside. So here at the market, so I'm just passing through the market. Let me explore this other side. I think I'll do 1 or 2 interview with the women around here to see how is their business. Well, it's like the place is not so much operational. It's not so much operational. So guys, I'm done with the tour around the market. So I was having a little conversation with a girl somewhere there, and she tells me, okay, like they used to sell in the open air market sometimes back, but since the county government built actually the market, they had to move there. But so now it's like very competitive. It's a small place. And actually it's like market is not that good, and also because of the let's say the prices of commodity. It's like the pandemic, everything affected the livelihood here in Kenya and Africa and entire the world, because there are countries whose economy has collapsed. So it's same here in Kenya, and market somewhere in Kiserian. So it was an awesome conversation. So it's like a family business. Like if our parents have a business to run, it's your duty actually as a kid, when you come or when you close the school, you come to help run the business. So guys, from Kiserian town, from Kiserian town, we're gonna go to another destination. When you get time, actually we shall go to the interior parts and explore together. So it's like, as Africans, people are very shy to talk to the cameras. They're always shy to talk to the camera. So that's why the person who actually I intend to have a chat with refused to answer my call. So guys, I'm gonna cross. We are heading to. You want to say something? Niaze? Mko fiti? So I'm good, and my name is Tano, and we're here just hustling as the Christmas is progressing. So the business is good and we are hustling. This Merry Christmas, it has not been bad. So I look early in the morning and I came to business and it's just boom.
So let's say like there's somebody, kuna mtu maybe mwenye ako uko majuu. Unaweza mwambia nini ni so unique about Kenya? Like ukimwambia, like ukimdescribe Kenya, so ni Kenya inakaje kwako?
Mi kwa pangu. Mi Kenya iko fiti, si ati kama ni haso iko poa. Hata naona si lazima uende majuu ndio haso, hata huku tuko fiti.
Okay, thank you. So we ngangana bro.
Naitwa Jeff.
Jeff, umefanya job muda gani?
For 2 years.
4 years.
Inalipa. Okay, kwa saa hii kwanza inalipa vizuri sana.
Maybe kuna wale vijana.
My name is Jeff,
And about the hustle is good so far, especially this Christmas season. Actually, it's paying my bills, and I'm loving it.
That's guy. I used to be okay. I used to work in the school where I was studying high school. So as we've heard, like guys, they are very the youth here actually are pushing themselves towards their limits. So guys, from Kiserian town, hope you enjoyed our next video. So don't forget to comment, to like and share. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye.